Shenzhen Li Hao Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a professional machinery manufacturing enterprise integrating design, production, sales, service, and trade. Our company mainly produces and provides all kinds of high-quality punches and automatic feeding equipment, including C-type, H-type precision high-speed punches, as well as punching automation peripherals such as uncoiler, straightening machine, feeder, receiving machine. As a major supplier of punching presses and peripheral equipment in China, Li Hao Machinery Company Limited is the first enterprise in the industry to obtain the certificate of high-tech enterprise. We have a strong technical force, a research and development center, and gathered a number of experienced industry professionals. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification for standardized production and product quality system. Our products are widely used in home appliances, automobiles, hardware, electronics, and other industries. With excellent quality and reliability, enjoy a good reputation. Li Hao Machinery Company has a good market share in China and has marketing offices in several regions. At the same time, our products have been successfully exported to North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, and other regions. Based on the principle of technology, quality, customer reputation, we sincerely look forward to working with you to establish a good business relationship. We are committed to providing customers with quality products and satisfactory service, and constantly promote the development and progress of the industry.